179, 180, 181,
Present, ma'am.
182,
Present, ma'am.
1 187, 188, 190, 190, 191,
Present, ma'am.
1.
Ma'am, I'm present.
What's your number?
I am present, ma'am.
What is your number? I am means 2.
Also,
192,
Present, ma'am.
93,
Present, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
194,
Present.
195,
present,
196,
Present.
190,
present,
Present, ma'am.
198,
Present, ma'am.
199,
Present, ma'am.
201,
Present, ma'am.
202,
Present, ma'am.
203,
Present.
204, 205,
Present.
206,
Present, ma'am.
207, 208,
Present, ma'am.
209,
Present, ma'am.
210, 211,
Present, ma'am. Present, present.
212,
Present, ma'am.
213,
Present, ma'am.
Present.
214, 215, 216, 217,
Present, ma'am. Madam, present.
Present, ma'am. Vedanshi.
Vedanshi, now you tell me when your turn is coming. Uh, Shyam,
Present, ma'am.
Shailesh, now I am repeating absent students number. Now you tell me if you are present. 215, 210, 207, 204, 190, hosting, 187, Angela,
I'm present, ma'am.
180, Jivain, 179, Dava. Okay, this many students are absent today. And before we start the next topic, can anybody revise what we have done in our last class? See, I do understand that you people are having back to, okay, but this is your first class, no? Before this class, you were not having any class. So at least you should be on time on first class, right? You cannot come after 10 minutes. From tomorrow onwards, I will not allow anybody after 5 minutes. Okay. So who will answer what we have done in our last class?
Image mapping.
Uh,
Yes, we have done image mapping.
we
Yes, Buso, tell me.
I'm also took it up. Yesterday we were dealing with a topic that is tags, and then under tags we learned how to apply an image onto a website,
Hmm.
and then going down we also learned how to map an image.
Hmm.
Yes, I think that's all I can remember.
Yes, very nice. So we learn how to map an image in different shape. We can map different shape of an image, and we can make it applicable image. We can create navigation inside an image. So that we have learned yesterday. And after that, at the end of the class, I have given you one exercise. And many of the students messaged me that they have completed that exercise by yesterday itself. So that is very good. So, okay. Now I want to ask you, before we move on to the next topic, I want to ask you people, how many of you have completed that exercise? Do you remember I have given you to map that image in a different shape? So how many of you have completed that exercise? I just wanted to know. Okay, Mansoor has done very good, Mansoor. Only one student out of 30 students, only one student have done. So everyone has to complete it, okay? Amit has also completed it. Very nice, Amit. Anybody else? Only two students. Okay, now Mansoor and Amit. Okay. So if you are having any issue when you were solving it, then you can discuss it with me. Okay. So though three or four students have done it. So is there anybody who can share their screen and who can display their practical example with the rest of the class? Is there anybody? Mansoor, can you share your screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, very nice. Okay, I will just do stop sharing.
I will share it in the camera because I use mobile.
Can you share it from phone? It's possible, right? You can share it from the phone itself. Are you comfortable with it? Do you know how to share it?
No, ma'am. I want to on the camera and show it
No,
on the
no, no,
cam.
no, no. Don't do like that. Okay, but it should be there in your phone. Then and then you will be able to share it. It's okay. See, what you have to do, you just keep your exercise in your phone itself so that you can share it. It would be very easy. From here itself, you can present your mobile screen as well. It's okay. This was the first time, so it's okay if you are not able to share. But from next time onwards, you keep your all practical example in your phone itself. Okay. So
Okay, ma'am.
all right, but you have done it yesterday itself. That is very good, Mansoor. And we are having okay. Amit has done. Alright, so remaining student will complete it by today itself, and if you are facing any issue then you can ask me in the class. By the way, tomorrow also we are having a lab session. Whatever practical we have done, no, that we will complete by tomorrow, same time. So anyways, today I will start another topic, which is how to create list in a website. So listen to me carefully. Let me just zoom it. Okay. So in every website there will be many lists, right? So if we want to prepare our website, then it should have some lists. So there are how many type of list we can create? Basically, there are three type of list. One is ordered list, another one is unordered list, and third one is definition list. OL, UL, and BL. So by using these three tags, we will learn how to create list. It,
Sorry to interrupt, ma'am. I think ma'am don't didn't share the your screen yet.
oh, I haven't shared my screen.
No, ma'am.
Oh, is it visible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Alright, so yeah, we have completed mapping, and today we will start list. So in every website there are so many multiple type of list are there, no? If we want to display some information, then we need to create list. Now we are having three methods to create a list. First is OL, order list. Second one is on order list. For that we will use UL tag. And third one is DL, definition list. Let us study one by one. I will start with order list. Okay, order list where the sequence will be, we can fix the sequence. We can give numbering, right? We can decide some sequence like ABCD, 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever kind of list you can prepare. It will have some fixed order. Now how to do it? First of all, there will be OL tag, order list tag, this one. Inside OL tag, you have to write LI tag. LI means list item. So in this list, how many elements are there in this list? What would be the sequence, right? How many items would be there inside the list? That you have to mention in between this tag. OL tag start and OL tag over. Inside that tag, you can write as many LI tag as you want. In this example, I am creating 3 LI. It means this list will have 3 items. Okay, and the okay. Now, very important thing, attribute. Every tag will have some attribute. What is the meaning of attribute? Attribute is property of that tag. Say for example, order list. Type is an attribute. Whatever we write inside the tag, no, that is known as attribute, that we already know, right? These are the shape and codes, HREF, these are the attribute of area tag. Name is the attribute of map tag. So every tag will have some attribute. Height, width, SRC, these are the attributes of IMG tag. So every tag, whenever we are talking about a new tag, no, first thing you have to learn is how many attribute this tag is having. I was just explaining you that order list will have one attribute, type attribute. Here you have to write value of that attribute. Value can be a number, it can be an alphabet, right? It can be you can write Roman numbers as well. And whatever you will write over here, no, the list will start from this index. If I am writing order list, type is equal to 1. So the output would be like this: 1, 2, 3. You are able to see the output here itself, right? So the sequence will be like this: 1, 2, 3. If I am writing alphabets over here, type is equal to A, then it would be A, B, C, like this. So you can decide whatever order you want. You can use 1, 2, 3, 4 numeric value. You can use 1.1, 1.2, like that. You can use alphabets, capital, small, and you can use Roman number as well, right? So attribute value for type are 1, 1A, capital A, small a, anything, right? So this is order list. One more attribute is there, start. Okay, let me do it practically. I will just write a small example and I will explain it to you.
Madam, just a minute.
Yes,
Hello, madam.
tell me.
I wanted to ask just on the tags there, you said you can attribute like a 1, 2, 3, but there it's showing just one for
Hmm.
all the object. I don't know if it is the object or the values, like for
Are you
apple,
asking
orange,
about
and
this? Are you talking about this line?
yes, I'm
Okay,
asking
these are
about
okay. Okay, Michelle. See, these are the examples, right? What what type of value I can give over here? These are the just example. This is not object or anything. It can be one. It can be capital A. It can be small a. It can be capital I. It can be small I. These are the possible values that I can write with type. Okay, these are the examples. You can use whatever you want. Are you getting me, Michelle?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, if you will write A, type is equal to 1, right? Then the sequence will be like this: 1, 2, 3. If you will write A, then it will be A, B, C, right? Okay, I will do one practical example. After that, it will be more clear to you. Is it okay? It is very simple. You just pay your attention over here. So I am not writing head part. I will just start with body part. And here, what you have to do, you have to create order list. OL. Okay. OL take start and OL take over, like this. Now we are learning attributes of order list, OL. So attribute you have to write here. First attribute I will write type. Mansoor, whatever I will write here, no, this type of list will be created. I am writing number 1. So the list index will be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let me show you. Then whatever items you want to list in the whatever item you want to include in this list, that you have to write in li start. Li over like this, and here you can write, okay. So the list would be like this: 1, 2, 3. Now, okay, this is very common. You already know it by the slide itself. But why I have to write it over here? Because of this attribute. So there is one more attribute, start. If I will write start is equal to 5, then you just see what will happen. I will save it and I will refresh the page. Can you see the index? It is like 5, 6 and 7. So this is the difference. Okay. Order list will have two attributes. Type. What type of list would be created? And start. From where you want to start your list. So here if I will write 15. So the list would be like 15, 16, 17. So you can give a start value. This is your order list. Michelle, is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So this was order list. Now here I will create one on order list. What is the meaning of on order list? See, it means it will not have, it won't be having any fixed sequence. List will be there, but before the list there will be some symbol. Okay, there won't be any number or any alphabetical order. It won't be, there won't be any sequence. So for that we have to take UL tag, and type will be the name of the symbol that you want to show before the list item. And there are possible three values: disk, circle and square. Disk means filled round, filled circle. Circle means empty circle, and square means it will be like a square symbol. I will add it over here only in the same example.
Mom,
Yes,
I've got a question.
tell me.
I tried to, as you were saying, but I had a problem. It seemed to appear the text or the list is under the image. Is there any reason for that?
Are you asking about image tag mapping?
Yes, the no
The
the
list?
order,
Are you
the
asking
order
about
list,
list?
the order
Order
list.
list.
Yes, the order list. It
Okay,
didn't
you tried.
appear.
Okay,
Yes,
tell
but
me.
it did not appear. It just appeared down the image, under the image.
Okay, okay. So are you trying to say that you are preparing list of image? In your list, there are multiple images. Is it so?
Yes, there's only one image on the current web. There's only one image, one big one, but the list appeared under the image.
All right. Okay. So is it possible for you to show me your code now after completion of this exercise? Are you having
Yes,
it in
ma'am.
your
Yes.
system? Okay. Yeah,
Yes.
it would.
Or maybe I can show it to you right now. Is it okay?
After completion of this code, okay? I will tell you.
Okay. All right. All
So
right,
you
ma'am.
just keep
Thank
it
you.
ready. I will tell you.
Thank you.
Okay, first I will just complete this unordered list. Okay, so now we have to create one list with no fixed sequence. It won't be having any sequence. So what I will do, I will remove this number and everything, and I will write name of any shape. Okay, now see what will happen. And here instead of ordered list, I have to make it unordered list, UL. Unordered list start and unordered list over. And there are total 3 list items. Li tag will be same. In order list, in unordered list, Li tag will be same. But here value of type attribute would be different. I will save it and let's execute it. So as you are able to see, first is ordered list, some fixed sequence is there, and this is unordered list. There is no fixed sequence. So in unordered list, you have to give type like this, and here you have to give type from where you want to start your sequence. And there is one more most important thing, one most important difference. In unordered list, you will not have start attribute, where in ordered list you have to give start number, because in unordered there is nothing like starting or ending, right? Because it is not a sequence, it is just a bullet. Okay, so this is order list and unordered list. After that we have to do DL, definition list. But before we start it, okay, I will show his example. What is he trying to tell us? I will just stop sharing my screen. You can share your screen.
All right, ma'am. Thank you. I don't know. Are you able to see, ma'am?
Yes, I am able to see. But if you are working with a laptop only, no, you can share it from laptop itself. Okay, just a minute.
No, my
It's
my
it's
computer
kind
is
of blur.
it's blur. Uh,
You
okay,
just
maybe I can.
don't move your
I,
phone. Keep it static. Okay, so you have created one image, and after the image you have created a list. Okay, now can you run
yes.
it? Can you run it in the browser?
So as I was running it, it only appeared here.
So do you know how to execute it? Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, it is coming there, but you have written like that only. First you have created one image tag. So first there is an image, and after there is a list, right? Your code is like that. Okay, now you tell me how you want to, how you want it to be displayed in your screen.
Yes, I wanted this list to be on the image, like on
Okay,
top here,
all right. You wanted to write on the image or above the image,
up in the image actually, in the
inside the
image,
image.
but
Okay,
above.
okay. Then you do one
Yes.
thing. Okay, you can stop sharing. You just off your camera.
Thank you. Okay.
I will show you in my code how to do it. I am sharing my screen with you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so this is a list. This list you want on the image, right?
Yes.
So you don't have to take that image tag. What you have to do, you just go to the code in this body tag. You write here background equal to, in the double quotation, you select any of the image. Okay, so there is a text, there is a list on the image. So if you will
Yes,
take
ma'am.
image, no, yeah, then the image will be like it would be like an element. But if you want to write something on it, can you put that image in the background of your screen? So how to do it? Inside the body tag, inside the body tag, you write attribute background. Background is equal to, you write path of that image. Okay,
Yes,
or
ma'am.
you want any other effect?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
All right.
And no, ma'am, that's what I wanted to hear. Thank you so
Okay,
much.
you wanted to do like that only.
Yeah, that's what I wanted to confirm.
Okay.
Thank you. Ma, can I just screenshot it?
Yes, yes, everyone just take a screenshot of it. Just a minute, just 1 minute. Okay, now you take a screenshot of it.
Thank you, ma.
We can do so many things with body tag. Okay, body tag is having so many attributes like background and text. So whatever you will write in the text, no, what I have written over here, text is equal to blue. So did you observe what is the color of the text of my list? It's blue. So we can change the color of, we can, okay, see what I will do. Okay, let me show you. Let me show you in the slide itself. Okay, attributes of body text. I think this we have already, this I have already explained in one of my class, no? BG color, it will change background color. Then background, it will change image in the background of your web page. Then text, so how to change color of the text. Then a link, v link, so these properties belongs to link when we are using link in our body. So body tag itself is having so many attributes, so you can use all these attributes whenever you want. Okay, now let's continue with our list. Okay, so we have done two lists, order list where some sequence will be there, unordered list where there is no sequence but there would be some list, and third type of list is DL, definition list. Now what is the meaning of it? You are creating a list, but in your list items are not named. See, I will tell you here in our list. These are the list item: name of country India, USA, Canada. But instead of country name, if I am having paragraph, I want to create a list of a paragraph. Okay, then for that sequence or bullets are not enough. At that time we have to create DL, definition list. When my list item are it is in big text, at that time I have to use it. Okay, so there will be two sub tag of DL tag. Here LI tag will not be there. First sub tag is DT, definition title. Second sub tag is DD, definition data. So you can create uh, as much long list as you want, but you have to follow this format. Let me show you practically. So in the same page we are creating all three lists. So here I will start BL tag. BL tag is not having any attribute. So BL tag start and it's over. In between I will start DT. DT means definition title. If I wanted to give title to each of my paragraph, that you have to write over here. It can be anything, okay? I am just giving you some random example. Then definition data. What paragraph you want to write inside this text, inside this list. And this you can repeat as many times as you want. Okay. So DP, definition title. And I will write three different paragraphs that I will take from our slide only. No, I want a big paragraph, a bigger one. So this I will put in my definition data tab. I am creating three paragraphs in my list. When the content is larger, when the details are more, and we want to display in a form of list, at that time we will use DL, definition list. Let's run it. I will show you practically. Okay, so can you see? First is the title. First is DT, definition title. Inside definition title, there is a paragraph. Then second, again DT, definition title, and definition data, DD tag. Then third, again definition title. So whatever I will write, so DL means definition list. When your list items are bigger, it is in a form of paragraph. At that time, you have to use this method to create list. Inside this method, you have to use two tags. DT stands for definition title first. First is your first title. Then DD, definition data. Similarly, second title and second definition data. Similarly, third title and third definition data. So these are our three type of list. First is order list, second is unordered list, and third is definition. Let me change the font of color of the font so that it will be visible to you. Oh, it is very big. So these are the three lists. We can create like this. Okay. Does anybody have any doubt in this? We take a screenshot of it. After that, I will scroll down.
No, ma'am, no doubt.
Okay. Now I am scrolling down and you take one more screenshot of the DL tag.
Ma, I've got a question. Sorry.
Yes, tell me.
Please just scroll a bit upwards again. Yes.
Which
On
one?
your, I want you to scroll a bit upwards. I want to ask a question on your code. On the size.
Okay,
The
font
size,
size.
the front size. Yes, I noticed you did not use the equal sign this time. Oh, okay, I've seen it.
Okay, I have
I
used
couldn't
the
see the
font.
equal sign.
I have used the font tag. Font tag you have to use if you want to do any changes in the font. You can change font style, you can change font size, you can change font color. Right? We can do so many things by using this tag. I will explain it to you. First, you take a screenshot of this. You take a screenshot of
Thank you.
BL.
Thank you, ma.
Yeah. Okay, screenshot done, everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Okay, so now let's move on to the font tag itself. So the output will look like this. Everything I have given you in your PPT itself. Okay, in this PPT, I have given you the entire thing with practical examples. So now let me show you the font tag. We can do so many things on font itself. Yeah, this one. So font tag is used to change the font of your web page, right? And we can change so many things. Here I have given some example only. First, font size. If you want to make the font bigger, and the suggested size is between 1 to 7. Then font face. What is the meaning of font face? Let me tell you. Okay, see. Here if I will go to font, and here I will open that dialog box. See, whatever effects are here, no, bold, italic, underline, everything you can do in your web page as well. And size, you can change the size of your font as well. Now this one, so this is known as face, font face. If you select a name, say for example Times New Roman or Verdana or anything else, okay, you just select it from here. I will select something. Let me show you now. Okay, this one. I will copy this font style from here and mhm, and I want to use it in my website. So what I will do, font face is equal to, in the double quotation, I will paste the name that I have copied from there, no, from that dialog box. And now let's run it. Can you see? Font is changed.
Yes, ma.
Okay.
Yes.
So this is possible using font tag. So this is font face, font type for the included text. Then next is font color. So there are total two methods. Okay. So font size, font face and font color. Here if I will write, but color we have already changed, no? Color is green color. So color I can change from here also. Then why I have to use separate attribute? Because if you will write text color here, then the green color will be applied in the entire body. See where we have written green color? Inside body tag. So it will change color of the text of the color of the entire body. And if I want to apply the change in this order list only, right? Okay, then I will end my font tag over here. Okay, now let's see what happened here. I will give some different color. What should I give? Chalo, blue only. Now, can you see? In this much portion, all the effects are applied, and this is plain. Because what I have done, I over font tag over here. So font tag start and font tag over. So what am I trying to teach you? If you will change font color from body tab, then it will apply in entire page. And if you want to change only one paragraph, if you want to change the color, if you want to give effect to this much portion only, then you can use font tag. So that is the difference. If I want first list to be bigger, then I will increase its size. First list is bigger than other content. Is it clear to everyone what is the use of font tag? Everything I have mentioned in your PPT itself. You take one more screenshot
Yes,
of
ma'am.
it. Take a screenshot of it.
Ma, so does it mean if you close the font tag under the unordered list,
Hmm.
you put it under unordered list, you close
Hmm.
it from the under unordered list,
Hmm.
it means it will apply the every command, every attribute on the front size,
Hmm.
even down to the unordered list.
Yes, it will be applied to that much portion only, on that much content only, right? After that, it won't be applicable. And if you are writing it in the body tag, then it will be applied in entire body of your web page, like that.
No, okay. All right, ma. So it's more like an open bracket and closed bracket, right? So
Yes,
when you start
exactly.
the front, you
Yes,
start from the front side on top, and then wherever you end it is where it's going to apply.
yes, like that only.
All right, ma. Thank you.
Okay. Anybody else? Is there anybody who wants to ask anything? Okay. So tomorrow we are having our first lab session, right? So whatever we have studied till today, everything we will do practically tomorrow. Those who are having laptop, you have to join the class by using your laptop only. And those who are not having laptop, you just install easy HTML in your phone. And tomorrow I will ask some of the students to share their screen. If you are doing any practical and if you are having any issue, then you can share your code just, just like I am sharing daily. No, I am sharing my screen daily with you. Similarly, you can also share your screen and you can show your code. If you are having any doubt in your code, then I can solve it, right? So and if you if you are completing all the activity, all the exercise successfully, then also you can share your screen and you can show it to me. So tomorrow we will do practical only. Try to log in from your laptop. I hope everyone know how to do login from the laptop. Is it clear to everyone? You
Yes,
just,
ma.
yeah, you just have to log in from Gmail. You have to open your Gmail.